Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying two essentials. Your Ps4 firmware is current and your media is on a compatible device. Plug a FAT32 or XFAT USB drive into a front USB port or enable a DLNA server on your PC so the Ps4 can detect it. Once done, go to the content area and open the Media Player app. It appears only when media is available. This step is crucial because the console will not list sources until it recognizes. You now choose the source shown in Media Player, either the USB device label or your DLNA server name. Navigate folders using the D-pad or left stick. Locate videos, music, or photos and highlight the file you want. Press X to start playback. Make sure to use the Options button to switch subtitles, audio tracks, or loop modes when available. The Ps4 reads supported codecs directly if a file won't play. It's likely an unsupported format rather than a hardware problem. Finish by mastering playback controls. Tap X to pause, hold R2 to fast forward, use L1/R1 to jump, and the controller volume buttons for sound. If playback fails, convert files to MP4H, 264 with AAC audio, or enable transcoding on your DLNA server. This addresses most codec mismatches. If the Ps4 can't see your USB or server, restart the Ps4 and router. Reinsert the drive and rescan network shares. This single restart often restores visibility and resolves transient connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.